Customers are the backbone of any business, but managing them effectively is a challenge. Disorganized customers' data, missed follow-ups, and lost sales opportunities can hold your business back. What if there was a smarter way to manage customer relationships? A way to streamline customer interactions, boost sales, and enhance relationships all from one platform? Today I am breaking down Odoo CRM, a tool that helps businesses stay organized, improve sales, and never miss an opportunity again. Let's get started. What is Odoo CRM? Odoo CRM software is a powerful all-in-one CRM solution designed to help businesses leads, automate sales pipelines, and close deals faster. With Odoo CRM, you can manage leads and opportunities in a structured pipeline, automate follow-ups to keep prospects engaged, track communications and customers' interactions in one place, analyze sales performance with powerful reports and dashboards. It is not just a CRM, it's a sales accelerator that ensures no lead falls through the cracks. How do Odoo CRMs transform customers' management? Number 1. Smart pipeline management. Having a clear view of every deal in progress is crucial. Odoo CRM provides an intuitive drag-and-drop pipeline, helping businesses prioritize the right deals at the right time. Number 2. Automate follow-ups and save time. Missed follow-ups means lost revenue. With Odoo CRM automations, businesses can automate follow-ups, reminders, and personalized email sequence, ensuring consistent lead management and improving sales conversions. Number 3. Get a 360-degree view of every customer. A strong customer relationship starts with understanding. Odoo CRM provides a complete view of each customer, giving sales teams insights into purchase histories, communication logs, and even support tickets. Number 4. Real-time sales insights and reporting. Data-driven decisions are key to business success. Odoo CRM's real-time reports and analytics helps businesses track sales trends, measure performance, and refine their strategies. Why businesses choose Odoo CRM? Businesses choose Odoo CRM because it is easy to use with an intuitive interface, fully customizable to fit different business needs, seamlessly integrated with Odoo's other business applications, cost-effective compared to other CRMs. It is a powerful solution designed to simplify customer management and accelerate business growth. At SDLC Corp, we specialize in Odoo CRM implementation services and custom CRM solutions tailored to your business needs. Whether you are a small business or an enterprise, our team ensures seamless integrations, CRM customization, and ongoing support to help you maximize sales efficiencies and customer engagement. Are you ready to take your customer management to the next level? Let's talk. Drop a comment below or message me to discover how Odoo CRM can transform your business operations and sales strategy. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your customer management to the next level.